Hello, folks. It's Stephen Price again on Grow Together. I want you to look at this plant that I talked about not too long ago, and we called it Lazarus. The reason we called him that was because we thought he was dead, and he just came back to life. And look how much he's grown. He has grown so much. He has gotten so big that we have to put him in another pot. How big is your God? How great is your God? You know, my God is on a different timetable than I'm on. He's on a different thought pattern that I'm on, and he's on a different ability level. He's greater than all those things. But so let me tell you how. On the thought level, sometimes when I'm praying, I just don't know what to say. I wish I did, and I want to pray for those individuals, but I'm not for sure what to ask for. You know what? Jesus, what we say, intercedes for us, or he prays for us to the Father with words that we don't understand. But yet, his thought level is different than ours. In fact, he knows, and in Psalms we are told that he knows a thought before it even comes out of our mouth. Boy, isn't that great? We also have a God that's on a different timetable that we're on, okay? Because we think about things in the present. Well, God knows what's going to happen in the future. In fact, in Jeremiah, he says, I know the plans I have for you. So he already knows what's going to happen days and years out there. That's why you can pray right now for things that will happen in the future. Like with my grandkids, I can pray for who they're going to marry, for their families even right now. Man, that's pretty great. And see, God is on a different ability level than we are because he can do anything. As I say, all things are possible with God. So when we think of how things can be done, we're limited by science, okay? On on my cancer, on the medicine I take. But you know what? God's greater than medicine. He is greater than anything. So his ability level is different. Man, we just serve a great God, folks. And that's just exciting. Remember to know that he's on a different thought level than we're on, okay? He's on a different timetable than we're on. And he's on a way different ability level. Man, hey, this is Stephen Price on Grow Together, and anything's possible with God.